guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Shayna Violet, and I am back just with a little update video and just some tips and tricks that I think would be super helpful if you try to do this hairstyle. And I'm also going to be showing you guys how I take it down. Super easy, super simple. Let's get into this. Like I mentioned before in the last video, if you don't do the ends tight enough on those last few wraps when you're doing the wraps, it does begin to unravel. And I say it begins to unravel, but only when when you're in bed or trying on clothes. I feel like the most that it really unraveled was when I was doing a YouTube haul that you guys can check out. I was doing this YouTube haul, and because I was going in and out of clothes, the clothes is like polyester, cotton, all these other fabrics besides silk. My hair was just like, girl, what are you doing? I really should have put a bonnet on when I was taking it on and off, but then that kind of defeats the purpose of a protective style, because like it's supposed to kind of last as long as you need it to last. But you know, it did what I needed it to do. On the chunkier ones, the ones that I really tried to make chunky, those were the ones that definitely unraveled quicker than most. The skinnier ones, like this one didn't do no unraveling. I don't know what I did differently for those, or maybe it's that the part that kind of has that rounded end, the one that's not like the actual end to the point, if that makes sense. I don't know how to describe that. The folded over part that's at the bottom, if the hair was like, if the other side of the hair ended before it, so I'm just taking it out. So like here, like this hair is obviously a lot longer than the end of this. So like it was a lot easier to kind of wrap that around and wrap it back up without, you know, any issues. But it's some chunky pieces that like really was doing something weird. But I mean, for the most part, like I would definitely keep this hair in longer. I just want to do other styles. I have so many wigs. I've been having so many companies sending me hair that I want to get out for you guys, and I want to make sure that I have a lot of content for you guys. And it's just time. Like I really never keep in my protective styles more than like 2 weeks a week, because I just get so anxious. Like what's the next thing? And like I don't want to look the same every day. Like that's the whole point of having wigs. Like that's why I have wigs, so I can change it up. That's why I have a lot of crochet hair, so I can change it up. But I definitely highly recommend that you try this on your hair. And I also feel like it looks so natural. I just want to put into disclaimer, I really think that this hair, it gave what it needed to give because of the color. Like I really tried to do this hairstyle because I didn't want long hair. One, the hair was 18 inches, so it probably would have came to like right here or so. I don't know. I didn't want long hair, but I also didn't want to cut that color off. Like I got the color specifically so I could, you know, try a different color in my hair. So that's where the real gist of this hairstyle kind of came about, because I was like, there has to be a way for me to still incorporate all of the hair but all of the colors as well. Like the colors are so nice. But yeah, that's kind of the little update that I had. I haven't had any real problems. I guess the biggest thing is just like, if you can try to keep this hair wrapped up in a bonnet. I put it in a bonnet when I go in the shower. I have it in a bonnet when I'm just laying in bed because my sheets are cotton. I don't necessarily put it in a bonnet when I'm putting on clothes, but like I said, if you're doing like a lot of changes, especially like everything was like over my head, turtleneck, so y'all know them things is tight. So my hair was just like, yeah, no. As far as the takedown, you kind of just saw me do it, but you can literally just like pull it down, and then you can just untwist it from there. And that's all you gotta do. That is all you got to do. And then you just pull it out. If it's the rubber band, and then if it's this regular twist, then you just you know, take the twist out like regular. And that is it, guys. You could definitely take this into like faux locks, butterfly locks if you really want. I feel like the base, because the base of it is kind of already a faux lock, you can kind of just, you can just start a faux lock from there. And you know, I feel like a lot of people have difficulty with the end, but now the end's already kind of complete, so you just have to wrap it back around and call it a motherfucking day. So that is going to be it for this video, y'all. This is real short, just a little update. Make sure you check out all these new videos. I have a lot of content coming. I'm gonna be posting 2 times a week, always every Sunday. Right now it's Saturdays, and probably do Saturdays for a couple of weeks and then switch it up, and then maybe, you know, if YouTube really starts to take off, your girl will be posting every day. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions down below. Follow my Instagram. Make sure you subscribe, thumbs this video up, share it with your friends. Make sure you take a look at how I got this hair done if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.